Hey man, it's your boy Boostedfit checking in for another video, and today I'm bringing you a video in the gym, but you can do this workout at home. All you need is a chair. It's something simple and very easy to do for the people out there that are trying to lose some belly fat. Stay tuned. Like I said, if you can't get to a gym and all you have is a chair, I'm using this as my chair. And for the first exercise, what you would do is have your arms out about a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. You don't want to have them out here. You don't want to have them too close. You want to have them right here. So what you would do is have your back on the chair if you're at home. If you're at the gym, you can use something like this. So have your arms out. We're gonna go down like this, and that's considered one. Like I said, it's nothing hard. So we're gonna do 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's the first exercise. Make sure you're keeping your back straight when you go back on the chair. Make sure your back is straight. Make sure your arms are not too wide. And that's the first exercise. Now we're moving on to exercise number 2. For the second exercise, we are trying to work on those love handles. So we're gonna do an oblique twist. So what you're gonna do is put your hands over your head. You're gonna go opposite arm, opposite leg. So your left arm to your right leg. Right arm to your left leg. We're gonna do 10. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like I said, it's nothing hard. That's number 2. On to the next exercise. For the next exercise, it is modified. All you're doing is, instead of being all the way back on the chair, lean up a little bit and kind of brace yourself. And this is all you will be doing. In, out. In, out. But you want to keep your core tight at all times. So we're going to do 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. On to the next exercise. I told you guys, it's nothing hard. So don't get into the workout thinking you can't do it. Just put your mind to it. It's simple, it's easy. It's not hard on your body, no jumping or anything like that. Trust me on this. Now the next exercise, we are back on those love handles. Get rid of those love handles. So if you're at home, I'm using a dumbbell, 3-pound dumbbells. You have 3-pound dumbbells or 2 pound, you can use those. But if you are at home, you can use water bottles. And this is all you're doing. Make sure your back is on the chair or the bench, whatever you're using. And all you're doing is bam, 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 bam. You should feel it in your obliques right here on the side. We're going to get those love handles off, people. So let's go. We got 10. So 1 and 1 on each side. That's 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. Nothing hard. Working on those love handles, ladies. Gotta get those love handles off. See, I told you that was easy. It don't get no easier than that. But what I really want you to do is slowly increase the reps, increase the sets, and increase the intensity. And then you work your way to moving out of the chair. Once you get out of the chair, that's when everything is gonna start just falling off. You're gonna increase your intensity and the weight is going to start falling off. Make sure you're drinking enough water. Make sure you're eating the right thing, you're putting the right things in your body, because at the end of the day, that's all it boils down to. It starts at the table, then it translates to the gym. Once you get the table thing down pat, then once you get in the gym, I promise you, everything will start falling off. So for next summer, we're gonna have you right, because I'm gonna constantly post videos on this channel for the beginners, for intermediate, and for advanced people. I'm gonna have a variety of everything. So ladies, do not be afraid to click on this channel and watch some videos, because I have a lot of videos for you, because you ladies are the ones that support me the most. Fellas, I'm sorry, I'm just keeping it real. But the ladies support me the most, and I really appreciate you guys for that. And I'm gonna keep giving you videos, things you can do at home, things you can do at the gym, things you can do outside to help you get better when it comes down to fitness. But make sure you like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Ciao!